Hi, it's Ian again from Dancing Goat Coffee, and the second one of our videos from the Zoom training that we undertook with a customer on a Europiccola machine was some milk frothing techniques and how to use the steam one to correctly prepare milk after you've prepared an espresso. So again, this was just really to try and make a new customer who's unfamiliar with manual lever machines feel a little bit more comfortable and competent when using their Europiccola for the first time.
Right, so switch that back on so it's warming up. What I'm going to do while that's warming up is I'm going to make a double shot, and then I'm going to do some milk as well. I think what I'll do, I'll maybe move the camera over so that I can try and show you what I'm doing with the milk.
Brilliant.
The same one, all right. Okay, so then on my double shot, so I've got that upward stroke that you've been seeing. I'll use my left hand so you can see a bit better.
Yeah, you make it look so easy.
Upward, downward stroke. So it's just starting to produce coffee. And then
all the way down.
And the more pressure I push down on it as it's pouring, the greater the crammer I'll achieve with the coffee.
Yeah.
I'll just show you that one so you can see once you're dialed in.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just leave that on the side there. With my milk jug, I'm going to go to the nape of the neck with the amount of liquid that I put in.
Yeah.
And then it's all about the position that you put the steam wand tip within the milk. So
it would be, wouldn't it?
So first of all, it goes right into the center of the body of liquid, and then we put a lot of energy into it, and we're trying to get a vortex. We're trying to roll the liquid over, okay? I'll try it now.
Okay.
So, that's good. Can you see that all right?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. So into the center of the body of liquid there, and then as we open up, starting to get the milk spinning around, and then I bring the steam one towards the edge.
Yeah.
And then just below the surface so I can get that tearing paper kind of noise.
Yeah.
And that's putting air into the milk. So I'm getting very fine milk. I'm also keeping my hand or my finger on the stainless steel side of the jug so I can feel how much heat is going in there. I'm not using the thermometer at the moment. I'm just using my finger on there. So once it gets too hot for me to hold, then I would turn off the steam from the boiler. So hopefully you can see the milk.
Yeah, you can, yeah.
There we go. So we should have now a nice. Damp and swirl.
Yeah, damp and so yeah.
Polishing the milk, so you should have a nice kind of glossy top to the milk.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and then just tilt the laptop a little bit. Okay, so then when we pour in there, we should be able to then pour that really nice glossy kind of milk like so. Okay.
It's like Blue Peter, isn't it?
So I've seen it done. Off you go.
Yeah, off you go. Get on with it. Oh, right. Okay. We can do this. Right. I'll do you that way so we can see that bit of it. Quarter turn to seal it. I reckon I got that. God, I'm gonna have to show you because I reckon that's all right. Don't be polite. Right, let's.
You see it start to run off a little bit.
Yeah, got it.
Another stroke now, so you can leave that there, and then take to the milk. So you can avoid getting too much water running in under no pressure into your espresso to keep it, high quality. Just move the cup to one side.
It's got a. So just move that.
Yeah, just move that to one side. We've got a good crammer again on that.
Well, I'm going to show it to you because I'm quite pleased with that.
Okay. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah.
Don't be polite. Right. So
all I would say is I reckon we might need to go half a turn coarser with the grinder.
Half a turn coarser.
Yeah, we're not quite getting all of the water from the full downward stroke into the coffee. Can you see
No.
how the handle has pushed back a little bit again?
Yeah, it's come back up, hasn't it?
Yeah, so it's telling us there's still a little bit of water, and you see how it's still dripping as well afterwards.
Yes.
They haven't completed the full kind
No,
of.
we managed to get all the way to the bottom.
Yeah. Okay, not to worry. It's not the end of the world. It's just one of those things. We just optimize it with a little bit.
Like you say, just dialing the back end of it in.
Yeah.
Right, milk.
Steam wand into the center of the milk.
So, Harv, do you want to bring the camera that way?
Yeah.
And then you can see when I maybe get.
Yeah, just drop it down.
That's great. Yeah. So right into the
That's why
center.
you
and then
tilt them
open
up
it.
down a bit.
Oh yeah, I can do that, can't I? So into the centre of the milk.
Yeah, that's it, and that's perfect to use the pouring neck as a bit of a guide for you. You know, so then when you go to the edge, you just sit it down there, and it's at the right height, and then open up the steam wand, and away you go. Don't be scared of it. Give it some power. Okay, right. So now move the jug slightly down the steam wand. Keep going. That's it. You can start to hear that tearing paper noise.
Yeah.
Using air. And move it towards the side wall. No, further into the milk again now. So it needs to be just right on the edge, so you're getting this vortex rolling.
Right on the edge.
If you put it towards one side wall, so you're moving the jug over to the left or the right a little bit. Okay, and you'll start to feel that it's getting some heat in there as well, I would imagine.
Right, we get some heat in there, yeah, definitely.
And you'll see as you practice more with it, the different positions of the jug around the steam wand create different levels of texture with the milk.
To the coffee.
Yeah, but first tap it on the side.
Oh yeah, got you.
The espresso crema has lasted well. That's good. Usually you've got to be a bit quicker than that.
So tap it.
Yeah, and then swirl it.
Yeah.
And now what I would suggest is if you just look at where I'm going to point my finger. If you pour down the edge here,
Down the edge, yeah.
you'll start to split the crema across the bottom of the cup,
Yeah.
and that'll create a nice kind of swirling heart shape for you, hopefully. So speed up your pour and shake the jug a little bit.
Swirling heart shape. Yeah. Not really.
Okay, so what you've
That's a nice swirling swirl.
just grab another cup quickly, because what you've done there is you've left all the textured milk in the jug. But just
So I've left all the textured milk at the top of the jug. So how do you get the textured stuff out first then?
you need to swirl a little bit more aggressively. You won't get it to come out immediately.
Got it.
You will actually kind of finish the pour with that textured milk. So just
because you're breaking the seal, aren't you? That it's made with the jug.
So what you need to do is just grab another cup, and you'll be able to pour that out, and you'll see the difference in the see that texture.
Yeah. I haven't got any of that.
Right.
Oh no.
Okay.
That's still all in the jug.
Okay, that's the thing. If you put the teaspoon in the jug, you'll be able to pick out that textured milk. So what you need to do is you need to just be a little bit more aggressive with the swirling of the.
Oh yeah, there you go, textured milk. There you go.
So you need to free that up so it's part of the body of the liquid in the jug. And then as you pour it out, you'll get that nice kind of textured.
So what I've done is I've poured so that's been stuck to the side of the jug, and I've poured from underneath it, haven't I?
Literally, yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
So what I'm to pour out the
that milk as well, that textured milk, it'll be really nice and sweet and creamy.
Yeah.
That's why you don't want to get it too hot as well, because you burn that.
Did you got it? Well, that's okay. We've made textured milk, we just didn't quite pour it in the coffee.
So when we